Hey, I'm Dan and I am in Kazakhstan. So another beautiful day, 36 degrees, definitely going to burn. Today I'm meeting a couple of friends. We're heading into the mountains. We're going to do a bit of quad biking and go visit the hot springs. We are waiting for the guy to come with the quad bikes. Exciting. That's such an oversized helmet.
The third one is the smallest, so I'm taking it.
Okay. Let's do this.
Why did I just look at the
Been a bit of a car crash, unfortunately. Not quite sure the extent of the damage, but hopefully everything's okay. So how was the first leg? How was that?
wonderful. Will be much more scary.
The way down will be great. We'll get all the views of that mountain and the valleys.
I will have nightmares about this for a long time. He's gone.
Oh no.
Yeah, that's actually one of the scariest things here.
There's so many wildflowers and wild lavender.
Like, leave it to
Right, time to go again. Ready to go down? Oh, it's so pretty.
So around 700 meters straight are the hot springs.
So we just go there?
Yeah.
We don't have to pay?
I don't think so.
so nice here, so pretty. Got rivers, mountains, almost like being in Austria, but just slightly different scenery. The rivers are just amazing, they're so powerful. So we just walked up to the hot springs, but it was absolute chaos. Just hundreds of people, tiny little, more like jacuzzis or plunge pools, but with sulfur water and things like that. So we decided not to stay there and instead walked back down and chilled by the river. It was lovely. I think it was a much better decision than actually getting changed and sharing the water with all those people. Been a great day today, but now we're going to head back and drop off the bikes. I think I might go into town for some dinner, but yeah, looking forward to the rest of the day. It's still beautiful outside, nice and warm, not too hot. Yeah, it's been great. Those views. Successful trip. Only one crash.
Like, I think it's like my first road accident.
Yeah.
Because, well, I haven't been sketching.
I think it's the first one that I've actually seen.
Oh, you haven't, like... You see lots of it here in Almaty.
Yeah. I think the highlight was definitely the car though. Like
Car crash.
That was a beauty.
Ah, the car itself.
Oh yeah.
Oh no.
No, not the crash. The that car.
This car. I love its like.
Yeah, it's little front
I
blinkers.
remember. You know what? I remember TikTok. A girl has like this similar but posh car, like that goes up, and she put like small teeth, like small.
Yeah, teeth of the.
What it's called?
Ребята, Плата у всех в каске?
Я думаю, один.